I've been walking through the rain, holding tight through every pain. Every storm that hit my soul only taught me self-control. There were voices full of doubt, trying hard to count me out. But the fire in my veins turned my losses into gains. Even shadows fade away when your light begins to stay.